Enterprise project management. What does it mean? Enterprise project management means looking at your projects in the organization from an enterprise perspective, not a single project perspective. When we look at things from an enterprise level, we can understand more the relevance of the project to the enterprise. And we also look at its issues, risks, progress from an enterprise perspective, and how that contributes to the organization and its strategy. In enterprise project management, we need to ensure that we provide the right information to the right people at the enterprise level, and we need to ensure that information is exactly at the right time, exactly in the right format, and exactly when this person needs it. This is very important. Let's take an example of what happens in many organizations today. An executive looking all around the organization for a piece of information that he or she cannot find. And in many cases, this piece of information, by the time we find it, we are not sure actually whether it is objective or it is a subjective perspective of someone about the project. Today, the problem is not the lack of information, but getting the information at the right time and getting exactly the right information. So an executive is not looking for an abundance of information on his project. He needs just the information he's looking for to answer the questions that he or she has. And this is what we need to provide. And this is where many consultants go wrong. They try to provide lots of information, an abundance of information to the users, and let the users decide which parts of the information they need. What we need is to understand what are the questions that need to be answered for each user and provide that information exactly when it is needed. Not more, not less. When organizations implement EPM as a software, the result is always failure. I am willing to bet money right now on the fact that anybody who implements enterprise project management as a software improvement will definitely fail. EPM is an integrated system that includes processes, training, in addition to the software. If we do not have an integrated system that takes into consideration these three important elements, then definitely the improvement will fail. We cannot implement EPM in an organization not thinking about how they do business, how they do project management, and the kind of training and organizational setup that they have in their hierarchy.